In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the project folder in CapCut PC. If CapCut is taking up too much space on your main hard drive, this is one of the easiest ways to move future project files to a better location. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference, especially if you work with lots of video files or prefer keeping your edits on a secondary drive or external storage. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and go to your active editing screen. From there, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. You'll see the menu button there. Click it once to open the main drop-down list of options. In that list, find Settings and click on it. As soon as you do, a larger settings window will appear in the center of your screen. This is where CapCut keeps its broader app configuration options. Now that the settings panel is open, look across the tabs near the top of that window. You want to select the tab labeled Project. Once you click into that section, look just below for the first setting line called Save Path. This is the current folder location CapCut is using to store your project-related files. It's useful to check this carefully so you know where your drafts and assets have been going up to this point. Next, we're going to change that location. On the far right side of the Save Path line, click the small folder icon. This will open your computer's file browser so you can choose a new destination folder. Take your time here and navigate to the drive or folder where you want CapCut to save future projects. A dedicated folder on another internal drive or an external drive is often a smart choice if you're trying to free up space on your primary disk and stay organized at the same time. After you've selected the new folder, confirm your choice in the browser window. Then return to the main settings panel in CapCut and look toward the bottom right corner. Click the blue Save button to apply the change. That final step is important because without saving, the new folder location won't be updated. From this point on, CapCut will save your upcoming project draft files to the new folder you selected. Just keep in mind that this changes where future files are stored, so it's a good idea to pick a location you plan to keep available whenever you edit. And that's it. Your project folder has been changed successfully, and you're all set to keep your storage a lot more under control.